If you're experiencing login issues on the BNP Paribas mobile app, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Update the app. Visit your device's app store and check for any available updates for the BNP Paribas app. Download and install the latest version to ensure optimal performance. Step 3. Verify your credentials. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Clear app cache. Go to your device settings, find the BNP Paribas app, and clear its cache. This can help resolve issues related to stored data that may be causing login problems. Step 5. Reinstall the app. If the previous steps do not work, uninstall the BNP Paribas app from your device and then reinstall it from the App Store. This can resolve any underlying issues with the app. If you continue to experience difficulties after following these steps, consider reaching out to BNP Paribas customer support for further assistance.